on behalf of RBVRR Women's College of Pharmacy, extend my hearty welcome to the 7th day of 15th induction program for the B Pharmacy and PharmD students. It's my privilege to introduce today's speaker, Dr. Tartikunda Venkatrajayam. Sir was designated as Head, Department of English and Founder Director, Center for English Language Training, University College of Engineering, Usmania University. Sir has become a celebrated, self-designed, multifaceted, integral personality fitness yoga teacher nationally and internationally. He has conducted UGC national seminars on yoga, fitness, and Sri Aurobindo sessions and fitness yoga satsangs on the eve of International Yoga Days in India and America. Sir is an established author of several books on English, yoga and personality development, human ethics, and also a passionate reader in English, integral yoga, and meditation practitioner. Sir is popularly known with his pen name Wordsmith. His vision is a peaceful society and mission is an integral personality. He authored many books, few of them are Treasure Trove of Situational Quotations, A Situational Spoken English, Motivation for Yoga and Meditation, A Situational English Vocabulary for Effective Communications. He has excelled himself as a committed academician and an interdisciplinary integral teacher with his enjoyable capsule Yoga for Health, English for Wealth. Sir is a corporate potential resource person and guest faculty for many leading professional institutions, and he trained them in foundation skills for freshers on job seeking, job getting, and job holding. He also trained employees of multinational companies in professional skills, soft skills, corporate skills, and stress free management skills. Now, I welcome you, sir, to share your motivational thoughts with our students and inspire them.
Hey, good morning to all. Yoga, namaskar to all. I was given the topic yoga and soft skills. I'll give some time for interaction too. After my lecture come demo, you can also ask me some doubts and you can note down doubts while I lecturing or demonstrating certain yoga items. Then when you are given time for interaction, you are most welcome to talk to me, interact, and I'll give answers to you. And dear children, yoga is the most important. Precisely, yoga is the union of mind and body. Yoga is the union of mind and body to oneself. And yoga is the union of nature and creature. Yoga is the union of nature and creature. And yoga is the union of speech and listening. I speak and listen, yoga. Or you speak, I listen, yoga. Yoga is bond. Maybe you call it pi bond? No, it's sigma bond. Like a compound, not a mixture. Yoga is union, sandhi, kalaika, odambarika. Okay. And the connectivity. What connectivity? Spiritual connectivity, psychological connectivity. Not alone external physical connectivity. No, beyond that. And yoga has different meanings. Let's not go to much philosophy yoga, not necessary to you. But what is yoga? How does yoga help you for your fitness? Fitness, oneness, happiness. And mine is Sapta Yoga. What Sri Aurobindo says, Mahayogi, all life is yoga. All life is secret yoga. Sapta Yoga. Sapta Yoga means seven. Sapta means seven. Sapta Yoga. 7 days, Saptaham. Saptaham. 7 days. 7 days you can do 7 types of yoga if you are really interested. Otherwise, limit yourself to yoga menu, your personal yoga menu, as per your height, weight, age, height, weight, place, need, requirement. So you must have your own menu, yoga menu, as per your requirement. If you are sick, yoga menu differs. You need general fitness, yoga differs. The rhythm problem, periods problem, dandruff problem, dandruff problem, sundru, hair fall, gray hair, becoming thin or fat. Fat in the sense obese, or thin the other side. So they're all problems. So I concentrate my therapeutic approach Sapta Yoga as per your age. Maybe you are 17 plus 18, the sweetest age in your life. Dear children, I appreciate you. I congratulate you for opting the pharmacy course or Pharm D, and that too most prestigious, legendary college RBVR, Raja Bahadur Venkatrama Reddy College. Very popular, legendary. It has produced maybe lakhs of children from this college. Take pride, be proud, enjoy it, enjoy the course, be proud product of Reddy College. So once again, congratulations. I tell you, dear children, pharmacy after the corona for 1 year crisis, corona crisis, the entire world is being troubled, shaken. Maybe billion dollars might have been spent. Lots of money might have been spent to find out solution for corona. Of course, happy thing recently it was found vaccination for corona. But listen, surgery cannot cure corona. What will cure? Only pharmacy. Pharmacy rule the world. Pharmacy cures, pharmacy cares, pharmacy shares, pharmacy everything. And what is pharmacy? Right from eating of food is pharmacy. But unfortunately, people neglected pharmacy. Governments including. But now everyone is appreciating pharmacy now, praising pharmacy now. So pharmacy is everything. Pharmacy is a natural system. Yoga believes in system. Medicine believes in symptom. Yoga believes in system. Medicine believes in symptom. Yoga is systematic. Medicine is symptomatic. But pharmacy, surgery cannot be done without pharmacy. Pharmacy is initial, pharmacy is medial, pharmacy is final, pharmacy is eternal. That take pride. For a surgery or any disease, pharmacy is initial, pharmacy is medial, pharmacy is final, pharmacy is eternal. Pharmacy never dies. Surgery, extreme resort, inevitable conditions. But surgery cannot be done without the aid of pharmacy. That is your subject. So be proud, children. Once again, congrats. Enjoy the pharmacy subject. Find out the pharmaceutical technology. We are interested in care pharmacy, not alone cure pharmacy. All the research of pharmacy must be aimed at, focused on care pharmacy, not alone cure pharmacy. Cure pharmacy is after getting disease. Care pharmacy is preventable disease. We are interested, the entire world, you and me, are interested in how to take care of health.